Yeah, hi, I'm Rob Bunger. I'm Director of Data Center Industry Alliances for Schneider Electric. I'm based in the US, if you couldn't tell. So just this week, we announced that we upgraded our membership with Open Compute to Platinum. And we're excited to become more involved in the community. And over the past year, I've actually been the data center lead for the data center project within Open Compute. But over the past couple of years, we've actually conducted quite a bit of research to better understand the impact of the Open Compute architectures on the data center. And as an example, about a year and a half ago, we produced a white paper, a trade-off tool, and a reference design showing not only a hybrid Open Compute architecture, which shows how people can have a path from a traditional data center to an Open Compute architecture, but also really looked at what the cost savings are of the electrical infrastructure with Open Compute. Because as you know, the architecture shows that you can have mutualized power supplies within the rack. You have the option of pulling in the UPS function inside the rack. And how does that change the cost? And there is a cost savings, but it all depends on how you're architected. But it could be anywhere from, maybe as small as single digits percentage, as high as 25%, depending on what your starting point is. A big challenge for the Open Compute Foundation is they're easily able to share the knowledge, but if the broad community wants to get a hold of the solutions, it's been quite difficult. And so as more Open Compute solutions get adopted from the IT side, Schneider now has a broad footprint to help support the deployment of Open Compute in traditional data centers, co-location data centers, or even hyperscale data centers. And I think we're just starting to see the beginnings of that happening. I think it's quite obvious if anybody goes to the show that DCD and Schneider Electric have a very close relationship, and this London event is our flagship show that we like to participate in. And we usually try to always show the latest and greatest things that we've either been researching or releasing at this show. And so we're very happy to be here, and the audience is quite good for us with a lot of data center operators and designers.